P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.
Or it broke in half on the surface and fell with 26,000 tons of taconite, or it broke apart on the way down. What's your take?
First of all, I can tell you that I have met Daniel, the Daniel J. Burrell, Dennis Hale. They're farther apart, but they're right there. They're real.
The bow is right side up,
Yeah.
the stern is upside down, really a football field away.
Do your maintenance in the wintertime when the ships don't go. This is the peak storm season. You see why was here? This makes no sense to me whatsoever. But I'm not a government bureaucrat, so I'm just ordinary guy, you know.
Yeah.
But that reeks of, not paying attention to detail. Where's the common sense there? See, let's see here. Cracking at the keel, so they had to always keep rewelding it because it cracked. I'm certain that my dad knew, as chief engineer, that boat was going on. I'm sure I knew what was going on too. And if somehow,
Regarding some of the troubles.
somehow either that extra prop blade got loose, because even the Coast Guard and several other reports say it's either a log, Bernie Cooper was in it. Maybe a big log came in and it knocked it off, from the surface of Lake Superior, or something on deck let loose. Now what do you got? You got a hatch cover crane, and them babies are tied down, but I'm telling you what, there's no way.
He can pull this off. He can be a big swinging dick too.
Would you describe Titan, based on the information that you know, as an experimental manned submersible?
Yeah, but it was an experimental submersible that they had already taken deposits to go to the Titanic in.
Hmm. 4.5%. Couldn't find the tins.
do you realize I haven't been out to a movie or anything since Matt went back to medical school? Good riddance to that rubbish. I wasn't so bad. You're just too hard on him.
P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where was your glass?
And that's it.